వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్పీ మైండ్ ఛానల్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఇంకో మోడల్ పేపర్ని చూద్దాం. పేపర్ కోడ్ 148 నవంబర్ 2018 అకౌంట్స్ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఆఫ్ లోకల్ బాడీస్ విత్ బుక్స్. In case of money is to be deposited in the bank, what is the procedure to be followed? The memorandum of a challan shall be presented to the treasury officer, who shall enforce it with an order to the bank to receive the money and issue a receipt. What is the purpose for which the treasury officer may permit withdrawal from the government account towards investments to be made by an officer empowered to make investments? All bills and vouchers on which payment is made by the treasury officer and enforced by him for a payment at bank shall show dash what? All the three above. Means the head of account, the payment is to be debited, how the payment is to be allocated between government and departments, the amount, if any, appertains to the revenues of central government. All the three above. What is the hurdle for the treasury officer in payment of pay, leave, salary, or allowances of gazetted government servant? He is not to pay the amounts to the gazetted government servants until and unless the accountant general intimates the rates at which such payments are to be made. The Fisheries Department was permitted to remit the sale of proceeds of ice and other receipts of ice cum cold storage plants at the end of every calendar week or whenever the amount exceeds dash whichever was earlier. What is the amount specified? 500 rupees. What is the alternative available when an original receipt given for money received is lost? A certificate to the effect of that certain sum was received on a particular day on account of particular account from a particular person. What is the subsidiary rule number according to which the treasury officer is required to reconcile the remittances form number 12 made by the public works department every month with those recorded in schedule of receipts form TA 10 before issuing a consolidated treasury receipt SR 18? Whether a treasury officer could receive payment of a revenue money order in cash towards money due to government account. The transaction should be adjusted by transfer in the accounts on a voucher in the prescribed form issued by a postmaster and duly acknowledged by the Tahsildar after noting the credit head of account in detail. How is the treasury cash balance identified? Main store or double lock balance? The assistant treasury officer is empowered to pass bills up to dash for the month of March. What is the limit prescribed? 200 rupees. What is the form number in which the drawing officer has to attach to show the deductions made from the bills of pay, etc. on account of attachments made by a prohibitory order of a court of law? APTC form 41-C. What is the form number that should be attached to the bill if the drawing officer wishes to collect payment through a messenger? APTC form 101. What is the certificate to the submitted to the competent authority by a gazetted government servant while drawing his first pay bill on being appointed permanently, which fact has to be certified by such authority and enclosed to the bill? Health certificate. What are the classes of a government services whose names are to be omitted from the pay bills? All the three above. Means examiners appointed by the AP Public Service Commission, prohibition guards and petty officers of excise and prohibition departments, all government servants in the last grade service. In respect of bills claiming contingent expenditure that do not require counter signature, the drawing officer shall show full particulars of the charges in the bill, attach to it all sub-vouchers for individual payments exceeding rupees dash, and sign the prescribed certificate in regard to other sub-vouchers. How much? 1000 rupees. A treasury officer shall not pay any contingent bill for an amount less than 1 rupee. What is the exception? Both 1 and 2 above. Except on the last working day of the month, except when the drawing officer is about to hand over charge. What is the time limit prescribed for payment of government check? Any time within 1 month from the date of issue. The drawing officer shall cancel any check which has remained unpaid for 12 months. Payment orders issued by the Treasury shall be valid only for a period not exceeding 10 days, fixed by the District Treasury Officer. What is the form number in which the application for grant of family pension is to be submitted? IPTC Form 76C. Government in GOMS number 828 Revenue CT3 Department dated 17/8/1989 issued orders for assigning entertainment tax collections among the panchayats. What is the percentage of proceeds of the tax to be paid to the gram panchayats in whose limits the entertainments are held? 54% of the proceeds. What is the period fixed for preservation of sub-vouchers? 3 years. What are the main classes of local funds? All the three above. Means district funds, that is the monies of district boards governed by the Madras District Boards Act 1920. Panchayat funds, that is monies of panchayats governed by the Madras Village Panchayat Act 1950. Municipal funds, that is monies of municipal councils governed by the Madras District Municipalities Act 1920. What is the fund which could be withdrawn from the local body's treasury account without the special sanction of the government? Endowment fund and railway cess fund. What is compensatory allowance from the following? Slaughterhouse allowance. What is the rule number of AP Manual of a Special Pay and Allowances in which the concessions or benefits permitted by the government to the government servants are detailed? Rule 7. What are the categories of employees that are not entitled for rent-free accommodation? All the three above. Means employees working in district headquarters, employees working in revenue divisional headquarters with a population of 2 lakhs and above, where the project in any executive engineers division or higher limit is completed to the extent of 90% of the work and government so declares. What is the extent of disability for an employee to get conveyance allowance for a blind and orthopedically handicapped employees? If he has a minimum of 40% permanent partial disability of either upper or lower limbs, or 50% permanent partial disability of both the upper and lower limbs together. The fundamental rules apply to all government servants paid from the consolidated fund of the state. What is the exception? Employees whose conditions of a service are governed by army or marine regulations. The period of absence on deputation and training in methods of a teaching English undergone by government servants in all cases of scholarships sponsored by British Council may be treated as duty, provided His selection was made by the government after inviting applications from the eligible candidates. What are the general revenues of India? Include revenues allocated to state government. How would be the typist clerks and typist draw special pay? They are eligible for special pay during vacation period if they are working in vacation department. The formula for calculating average cost of the time scale of pay is average cost is equal to minimum plus maximum minus minimum into 3 by 4 minus x by 60, where x represents here length of time scale minus 5. Who is exempted from the producing certificate of health and vaccination when appointed to a permanent post? A military pensioner, otherwise than as a menial paid from contingencies. The director of marketing and deputy director of agriculture, as the case may be, is empowered to sanction a reasonable period up to a maximum period of dash for handing and taking over charge by the agriculture demonstrators, farm managers, research assistants and marketing assistants. What is the period in the blank? 5 days. A government servant shall be deemed to have resigned from the service if he is absent without authorization for a period exceeding 1 year, under which fundamental rule the pay of the government servants shall be fixed on their conversion to another post. FR 22 subclass A subclass 2, which FR contemplated grant of a premature increments to a government servant. FR 27, whether a government servant has option to retain a temporary post held by him which was carrying higher time scale when that post was abolished and a permanent post which lower scale is created in that place. He has no right to opt to retain the old scale. How to assume an order which does not state that the withholding of the increment shall have the effect of postponing future increments. It shall be assumed that the officer's pay is restored to what it would have been had his increment not been withheld from the next natural date from which he would have drawn an increment. When could be the increment sanctioned to a probationer whose period of probation exceeds 12 months? At the end of the probation period retrospectively, which but for his probation he would have received in the ordinary course. Whether the increment falling due on the day following retirement is admissible. He may be given the benefit of increment notionally purely for the purpose of pensionary benefits. The government servant holding a temporary post when selected for regular employment in a different office or department in the same category of post or an identical post in the same service be allowed pay in the new post taking into account his temporary service in the old post. What is the prerequisite for such a treatment? The period, if any, between the date of relief from the temporary post and the date of his joining in the new post should not exceed the actual journey time required for joining new post. How is the leave account of retrenched employees as absorbed on an identical post or lower one regulated? The pre-retrenchment service will not count for purposes of leave. What is the period of preservation of accounts records relating to pay bills? 35 years. The first increment in the case of a person who holds a permanent post and second increment of probationer who does not hold a permanent post shall be paid from which date? shall be paid from the date of satisfactory completion of the prescribed period of probation. What is the eligibility of pay and allowances of a person during probation period when appointed through direct recruitment on initial appointment? The usual pay and allowances at the minimum of time scale applicable to the post to which appointed. A house rent allowance attached to a post will be paid to the government servant officiating in the post, provided that, subject to mutual arrangement, it may continue to be paid to the government servant for whom he officiating for a maximum period of 4 months. When two officers, both husband and wife, occupy a government accommodation, how is the standard license fee regulated? The monthly emoluments of the officer in whose favor the quarters is allotted shall be taken into consideration. Whether a government servant who is entitled for a rent-free accommodation eligible for free supply of water, also no, not eligible. In the case of leased residences, the standard rent shall include all the three above, means some paid to lesser and ordinary and special maintenance and repair charges, capital expenditure and additions and alterations, interest on capital expenditure and house or property tax payable by the government. When shall the income derived by a government servant from the sale of books or royalties on the books written by him be exempted from any portion thereof being credited to the government account? When the books are written by him without the aid of knowledge required during the course of his service, but with his scholarly study of the subject, unless the government by a special order or otherwise direct a part of the fee as decided by the government shall be credited to general revenues. What are the exceptions? All the three. Means the premium awarded for an essay or plan in public accommodations, any reward offered for the arrest of a criminal or for information, any reward payable in accordance with the provisions of Act or regulation or rules framed thereunder. What is the responsibility of the Accountant General in respect of sitting fees of a government directions from the companies, etc.? The intimation of a payments of sitting fees of the government directors received from the companies, etc., has to be verified with the monthly remittances into the treasury made by the government directors and bring any discrepancy to the notice of such a government directors, their superiors. The government may appoint one employee to hold substantially as a temporary measure to officiate in not more than two independent posts at one time. No additional pay shall be granted unless the period of additional charge exceeds 14 working days. What is the period allowed prescribed for drawal of additional pay not exceeding 6 months? The heads of department may be empowered to sanction leave to gazetted officers up to how many days, where no leave arrangement is proposed, up to 2 months. Which category of employees are prohibited to hold full additional charge of another post and for payment of additional pay? Both 1 and 2 means chowkidars, class 4 employees, record assistants and drivers. Who is required to sanitation deputation of a government servant out of India? Government of India. Where a prima facie case is established on charges of corruption, misappropriation, etc., the amount of subsistence allowance shall be dashed until finalization of disciplinary case. How much? Restricted to 50%. What is required for payment of subsistence allowance to a suspended government servant? A certificate that he was not engaged in any other employment, business, profession or vocation. Up to how much limit A subsistence allowance once increased on the basis of first review could be reduced if the period of suspension is prolonged for reasons directly attributed to the government servant up to 50%. What is the eligibility of a suspended government servant to draw compensatory allowances of house rent allowance and other allowances? The allowances are admissible on the basis of payoff which the government servant was in receipt on the date of his suspension, subject to fulfillment of other conditions. Period spent on foreign service counts for duty. What is the condition to be fulfilled? Leave salary contribution shall be paid in account of such period. What are the powers of the inspectors of schools in sanctioning leave by bearing special disability leave to women secondary grade teachers? Full powers. What are the powers of audit officers of local fund audit in sanctioning leave other than special disability leave to senior auditors and district inspectors? May sanction earned leave, privilege leave for a period of 60 days when there are no leave arrangements. What is to be done by a government servant who had taken leave on medical certificate out of India and purposes to return to duty? He has to produce the certificate of fitness attested by consular or other authority as bearing the signature of qualified medical practitioner in case it was signed by a foreigner. How is the unauthorized absence of a government servant on expiry of leave is treated? The period in question will be debited against his leave account as though it were leave on half average pay unless the leave is not extended by the government. What is the maximum period of a continuous absence from duty on leave granted otherwise than on medical certificate? 28 months. When a government servant is transferred from vacation department to a non-vacation department, how is the period of service in former will for the purpose of Rule 82 be treated? The service in the vacation department will be considered to have terminated with effect from the close of the last vacation enjoyed by him. An officer of a vacation department can enjoy how many days leave on average pay followed by vacation only if the period of vacation is covered by medical certificate or is spent outside India. 4 months leave. The special disability leave shall not be granted unless the disability manifested itself within how much period of the occurrence to which it is contributed and the person disabled acted with the due promptitude in bringing it to notice within 3 months. What is the limit prescribed for the study leave to be debited to the leave account of a government servant? It shall not be debited against the leave account of the government servant. What is the limit for paternity leave to be granted to male married government servants with less than 2 children? 15 days. What is the maximum period of a hospital leave that could be availed by last grade government servants and subordinates such as police constables, jail matrons, foresters, etc.? Not exceeding 6 months in every 3 years of a service of the government servant. In respect of an officer serving in a vacation department on contract, no leave is admissible. However, he may be granted, if absolutely necessary, leave on medical certificate on half pay to the extent of how much of the period spent on duty. 1/22 of the period. In cases involving a change of station, the joining time allowed to a government servant is subject to maximum of 30 days. In respect of government servant appointed to new post while on earned leave on average pay of not more than 4 months, joins his new post before the expiry of his leave plus full joining time admissible. How is the period short taken treated? It shall be considered as leave not enjoyed, and a corresponding portion of a leave sanctioned shall be cancelled automatically. What is the maximum period of deputation allowed in respect of government servants sent on foreign service? 5 years. What is the amount of deposit which should be remitted by the foreign employer into a government treasury when a government servant was deputed on foreign service? Amount equal to 3 months and pay allowances admissible to the employee. What is the form number in which a service book is required to be maintained? Form number 10. What is the maximum period allowed sanction towards a special casual? To the principal office bearers from each of the units in districts and the city as are represented on the AP Civil Services Joint Staff Council, 21 days in calendar year. Special casual leave not exceeding dash how many days in a calendar year may be granted to government employees participating in the rallies, camps, etc. organized by AP Bar Scouts and Guides at the rate and national level. 10 days. When is the lien of government servant suspended at his option? If in any case there is a reason to believe that he will remain absent for a period of not less than 3 years. Which rule of fundamental rules is required to be invoked for fixing the pay of government servant holding substantially a permanent post and having a lien on it, and who is appointed substantially to another post at his request under FR 15 subclass A, FR 22A subclass 3? What are the periods that will not count for increments in the post held substantially? Joining time and transfer to a lower post under FR 15. For the purpose of calculation of standard license fee, which one of the following shall include capital cost? Cost of land acquired for tennis court. What is the percentage of capital cost of furniture to be adopted for arriving at additional rent of furniture leased? 15% of the capital cost. Which one of the following is included in emoluments for the purposes of recovery of rent? Dearness pay. How is the additional pay regulated when the government servant is discharging merely current duties of additional post? Additional pay not exceeding 1/10 of his substantive pay or 1/4 of minimum pay of the additional post, whichever is less. What is the admissibility of joining time in cases of temporary transfer for a period not exceeding 180 days? Only actual transit time is allowed. How is the joining time regulated in respect of government servant in transit or transfer if he is transferred to a place different from that indicated in the initial order of transfer? He shall be allowed joining time already availed of up to the date of receipt of revised order plus fresh spell of full joining time from the date of following the date of receipt of revised orders. The fresh spell of joining time in such cases shall be calculated from the place in which he receives orders as if he is transferred from that place. What is the entitlement of a pay of a temporary government employee appointed as a result of a competitive examination interview open to government servants and others if he has not completed 3 years of regular continuous of service? Though entitled for joining time, no joining time pay is allowed. What are the contributions payable by the foreign employer to the parent department of the government concerned? Contributions towards cost of a pension and leave salary. What are the circumstances under which the female government servants are granted maternity leave, confinement, or miscarriage? What is the limit for sanction of refused leave to a government servant? 6 months. How is subsistence grant regulated? It shall be one of his average pay for the first 1 year and 3/8 of such average pay for the remaining period. What are the characteristics of a probationer? Service counts for increments and pension when followed by confirmation. What is honorarium recognized? The payment for the service rendered by the government servant is made from its consolidated fund and could be retained by him. How is special pay decided? It is granted in view of specific addition to the duties are granted for working in unhealthy conditions of locality. Viewers, ఇది నవంబర్ 2018 మోడల్ పేపర్ కోడ్ 148. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, అలాగే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.